Hi everybody, this is Bill Paulus, and this is a picture of me in my personal trading lab. This is where I spend most of my time researching, experimenting, and testing dozens of Forex trading ideas all day long. And this is where I recently discovered a series of trading methods that, when used together, give you the potential to multiply your Forex profits in as little as 60 seconds or less each time you sit down to trade. The secret has to do with a key trading concept that's been staring everyone in the face, yet very few people understand. But once you understand it and know what to do with it, your potential for ongoing success could skyrocket almost overnight. I think the reason most people haven't caught on yet is because it's deceptively simple. But in more than 35 years of trading the markets, I've never seen anything so simple have such a profound effect on trading results. I recorded several Trading Lab videos to expose and teach you these new techniques, and this is the first one. So get ready to take notes. I think you're really going to enjoy what I have to share with you. So if you're interested in Forex, if you're worried about the economy, or if you're just wondering how to protect the money you have right now and potentially make a lot more, then this may be the most important video you've ever seen. As you well know, global economies and the equities markets continue to collapse. This is mostly bad news, but it's really great news for the Forex markets. Now, by the time you're done watching this video, you'll never look at Forex the same way when you see how the goals of my profit multiplier discovery are to create a new sustainable income stream anywhere in the world. Shield your account from huge losses. Start with as little as a $500 account. Place your trades in 60 seconds or less. And importantly, become an independent trader. I'm going to cover a lot of important material, but let's start with some trades. Okay, what you're looking at is my custom intelligent trade alert software that I spent over $20,000 developing. And this is probably unlike anything you've ever seen before. It's not a robot, it's not an EA or an expert advisor of any kind, and it's not even a plugin. It's 100% custom, and all it requires is an internet connection. Now, what it does is automatically alert you whenever a trade sets up on one of my profit multiplier trading methods. What you see here are the 6 major Forex pairs, and you can see that every time a long trade sets up, a green arrow icon pops up. And when a short trade sets up, a red icon pops up. So let's zoom in on each of these charts and take a look at the kind of trades my methods have spotted. Each chart covers about a 3-week period, and there's no cherry picking going on here, so what you see is what you get. These are all trades over that period, good and bad, so you can see exactly what happened. Now, other 3-week periods are going to be different. They're going to be sometimes better trades, more trades, fewer trades, worse trades. But this is indeed typical of what you can expect. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, here's the Euro-US dollar 4-hour candlestick chart. We're going to be deep diving these charts a little bit later in the video, but for now I just want you to get a feel for what it's like to trade with my Forex multiplier methods. In this case, we had 9 trades, both long and short, 8 of which were winners. Next is the British pound US dollar 4-hour candlestick chart, and we've got 8 trades in this case, 6 of which were winners. Next is the Australian US dollar 4-hour candlestick chart. Here we've got 7 trades, 6 profitable, 1 at break even. Then we've got the US dollar Swiss franc 4-hour candlestick chart showing 6 trades, 5 of which were winners. Next is the US dollar Japanese yen 4-hour candlestick chart. Here we've got 7 trades, 6 of which are profitable and 1 at break even. And lastly, the U.S. Canadian dollar 4-hour candlestick chart. Here we've got 6 trades, 1 long, 5 short, of which 5 were profitable. Now, I want you to understand these are exceptional results that occur over and over again in these markets, but they're not always this good. And that's why you need to protect your positions with stops, and we're going to deep dive that a little bit later in the video. Now, small groups of individuals, including my students, already understand how to place great trades like the ones you just saw. And they also understand that most people, especially the media, think that we're on the brink of a financial apocalypse. And some say it's already here and may get even worse. Let's take a look at the facts. Governments around the world are bankrupt. They're all debasing their currencies, and that leads to the high probability of hyperinflation. Businesses are not investing nor hiring, and the standard of living is on a declining trajectory for the first time since the Great Depression. This is not just a normal economic downturn.